Alright, yo. Before the video start, I want to show y'all my analytics real quick. So I want to show y'all everything's real. See, I don't think we should bullshitting us, bro. You're bullshitting us, bro. So you can see, look, we 12 seconds in. You see right here, they're still watching. But alright, so I want to tell you that the most. So if you got any niche, I want you to go through and I want you to apply this Oregon audit thing, this prompt will be below where you can check this out at. But if y'all was just watching my other video, I gave y'all the other video about the script structure. But what I want you to do is I want you to apply this Oregon audit right here to one of y'all nieces, bro. Like, it works for military, it works for mini nieces, but yeah, and it works as well. So this, and I'm gonna show you this works for my niece. This can work for other nieces too, right? This is great. I like the Oregon. Yeah. So this script structure is like built to like make the viewers not want to swipe away, and it's built to like hook the viewers on. Cause y'all gotta know. Once the viewers, so let me show y'all. So once the viewers are on your short, you gotta think the retention graphs work like that. So the video starts right here, and the viewers are still watching. If the viewers are still watching right here towards this mark, and let's say if you got a 47 second short. So if you could hook the viewers on mostly right here, 29 seconds for 71%. What this tells the YouTube algorithm is, oh, maybe our viewers are watching longer. Maybe we should push it. And what happens is your fucking state to watch goes up, your swipe away go down, and what most of these coaches, fucking gurus, want to say, fucking coaches, gurus, bro, and they want to tell you you gotta do a million things, and they don't know what they be talking about. So the main thing is what you want to do is you want to have more state to watch, you want to have less swipe away, and you want to use the Oregon thing. The Oregon thing, we start our script off with the arrangement. And you see right here, the arrangement and Taliban commanders bragged about his fighters. The viewers, man, they don't know who the fighters is. They will stay between that part to see who the fighters is. That's why we're going to use this most intriguing part, and it works for this hook right here. It works for this script, and it works for this one. So, like I said, you can apply this to one of your scripts and give it at least 1 in 20 videos. Then, after the 1 in 20 videos, you can rotate to another structure. So, we're going to give this one, we're gonna give this one 5 to 20 videos before we rotate to another structure, because this one is working. Thanks. Yeah, so this one is working. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna give it at least 5 to 20 videos before we rotate to another one. You can see the industry chaos. This is right here. The Oregon site bragged about this, and then this right here, you can see the financial letter retention. But yeah. So I know this word right here, this keeps the viewers on, because the viewers want to know. They don't know the CEO. They want to know what he bragged about, and what happened next into the viewers' brain. So yeah. So you can see we don't want to put top fives. We don't want to put We want to start off our hooks off with stronger hooks than our competitors. It's the most thing to go viral. You want to have better stuff than you compare. You never want to copy. You always want to take what work, and then you want to do it in your own way. But you can apply this Oregon thing to y'all niece, and y'all gonna see so much fucking views. Oh my god, y'all gonna see y'all views go up, bro. The views gonna maximize it, bro. You can use this shit to the maximum of it. So yeah. So if you start a new channel today for industries, chaos, sports, whatever, you don't need to reinvent the wheel. You just use this master prompt, and the master prompt right here, what I'm gonna have it do, I'm gonna have it give us the master prompt. And you can use this master prompt, and then you could use it for any niche, for your scripts. Give me the master prompt for any niche, for any scripts. We give a niche 5 to 20 videos. And if we don't see consistent views, we switch structures after so many. But we stick to 3 structures. Alright, so what I want to tell you, we stick to 3 structures. We don't keep switching. And we have the universal Oregon audit prompt. We got this one right here. And then we have another one. So you see the rotation protocol strategy. Since we are sticking to 3 master structures, here are the how we play a game long. So we stick to this one right here, and this would be the shock reveal, and this would be the pub reveal. But you only need 3 structures. You could apply this prompt to most of y'all nieces. This will be below where you can check it out at in the description. So I'm gonna put all this in the description where y'all can check it out at. But yeah, but that's all I have for y'all, bro. And it's called the Arrogant Audit. It's called the Arrogant Audit. Apply this to y'all niece. Y'all gonna see y'all hooks come out so good. So what I'm gonna have it do is make me a prompt for the scripts. Make me a prompt for the scripts. Instructions. So, and I'm like I said, this will be below in the description where you can check it out at. If you wanna ask me any more questions, bro, my Discord is on the screen. So here's my Discord. What you can do is add me on Discord. And I know some of y'all don't probably know my Discord, but I'm finna put it on the screen for some of y'all right now. So you can see discord.com. If you need any questions or find ways to grow, we literally blow up channels from scratch, and we give channels at least 20 to 44 videos in. But yeah, but here's my Discord right here where y'all can check it out at. And yeah, I'm a professional coach. I know way more than some of these fucking so-called coaches know. But yeah, you can see my Discord's right here. You can see at Tyrese Land and my and yeah. So like I said, it works for these right here. You can see that it works. And if you want to maximize your views, bro, use this right here. And all you gotta do is copy and paste all this chat right here and give Gemini your bio, your URL, and it would know how to, and give you one of your competitor scripts, and it will give you a transformative title, and it would know how to do every single script for the day in your niche. But yeah, but that's all I have for y'all. All y'all gotta do is copy and paste this. You know, we're not gonna make none else hard. All you just gotta do is copy and paste this to a new chat. So we come over to our notes. And I'm gonna just attach it to the file we already had. So you see right here this checklist. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come to the bottom. I'm gonna make a big line, and I'm gonna attach this to the bottom of this checklist. And what you could do is go to right here. All you just do is you're gonna download this right here. You're gonna go to File, Download, and don't make things as hard as y'all should, because y'all try to reinvent the wheel, and y'all piss me off with that shit. Y'all made me mad with that shit. Stop trying to reinvent the wheel, bro. Stop trying to do stuff that don't gotta be done, bro. That's why people don't really stand out as the way they want to stand out, and that's why they overcomplicate things. And most of these coaches too. Most of these coaches overcomplicate your brain, and they don't know what they're talking about, bro. When it comes to channels, like these niggas don't know. They haven't been in the game that long to try to coach y'all. Who are you to be, bro? You haven't even been in YouTube for 10 years straight. Who are you to try to sit here and coach somebody? You've been there for like 3 years. You're a new gen, bro. That's what we call new gens. They only been there for like 4 years. We call them new gens, bro. They haven't been there for 3 years just to coach somebody, bro. Come on, bro. Nigga haven't been there for 3 years. This nigga want to coach somebody and be somebody's coach. Who are you to coach? Nigga, you can't coach nobody, little nigga. Sit the fuck down. Coach that bitch. But yeah. Enjoy the video, but I'm out. And the point is, and apply this Arrogant A, and Gemini AI knows that it's going to give you stronger scripts. You're going to give you stronger scripts, and what we do with these scripts, we A/B test it. We A/B test to see if it's good, see if it's bad. So if we wanted to right here, this hook that it just gave us right here, so we A/B test it, and yeah, so we go to this. We'll go to this and we'll A/B test this one right here. And yeah, but like I said, you don't want to be stuck on 1K views or 3K. You need to be pulling consistent views. You need to be pulling consistent views. You need to be pulling 5K. You don't want to be 1K. So the Arrogant thing works. The Arrogant structure works, and we can get at least 5 to 20 videos in. So you can use the structure right here. It works, and yeah, but it'll help you out with your scripts. It'll help you improve it, and yeah, all you just do is you download this right here. Go to download, and you attach it to one of your chats. It's going to come out with high quality scripts, and you're going to see most of your views go up. So yeah, so like I said, I'm going to go live in about like 2 hours on my main channel where y'all can check it out. I do live stream, but yeah, you can see right here, 45K views. We escaped the 10K view jail. Everything's legit. Everything over is legit. So go ahead and apply this. So one of y'all nieces, y'all gonna see all y'all scripts come out as good. But yeah, but that's all I have for y'all today, bro. And you can see, you can see right here. Now, if we go up, scroll up a bit, you can see it literally told us our expected views. So our expected views was doing this. So when we went to go post this one right here, the title or chips, it told us our expected views, everything we needed to know. So if we come up to this one right here, you see the Oregon, we already did this right here. We literally posted this. So if we go to this one right here, you can see we did this one, that insane one. We did this right here, 5.3K, and you can see it's still getting pushed by all of them. So if we go up to this, You can see 5.3K. And I'm gonna show y'all. So if we go up to this real quick, the Oregon. Alright, so you see right here the Oregon targeted brag. You see this is the thing right here. It knows about the niche, it knows about the target, the Fergen, and this is pivot, and this is cross, and then it tells us like expected views, how many views we was gonna do. And we're not starting our scripts off with NS or AI soft scripts. We're doing scripts that align with our niche, our military niche, that storytelling commentary for the viewers to know, so they don't click away. It makes the viewers want to stick on. But like I said, I'm gonna have more videos coming out soon, y'all. But I will be back. I will be live on my main later on. I will be making a short. But that's all I have for y'all today. So all y'all want to do is just y'all want to make good. Y'all want to have y'all short drone like this, but you want to have like this, and you want to try to get more graphs. The better graphs you should get is if you could get it with one of these script structures I'm gonna give y'all, and start commenting below the videos. Stop being like that comment, and you want to comment on the gurus don't tell y'all shit. It's much stuff as I tell y'all not gonna learn it nowhere else. But yeah, you can see 100% of viewers still watch at the 19-second mark right here, which means we ain't got our engagement. It's 0.48, 11K, and 19K views. But that's what you want to do. Apply this to one of our niches, bro. Y'all gonna see a lot of views start going up. Yeah, but that's all I have for y'all. I'm out though.